Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, these are some things that I've held on to for maybe 2 weeks, and I just want to come show them to you real quick, and hopefully I can remember where I got most of it. I should be able to. Shouldn't be able to remember where I got all of it. It's just a few things. It's not much, but let's start off with this right here. This is some archival ink. All right, now the reason why I bought this archival ink really was because of the brown or the black, those two. Because I couldn't find my ink from, what is this, my distress inks, or the, what is it, vintage photo. I cannot find it. I got about 4 pads of vintage photo that I cannot find. And the reason why I needed the vintage photo was because of this paper right here. You probably will not be able to see what I'm talking about, but this paper is one of some of the paper that I wanted to use for my CCAY project this month. And yeah, it's late, and I still haven't done it yet. And even though it's colored on both sides, the core is white. So I wanted it because I wanted it so that I could ink the white part so you couldn't see it. And then of course, after I purchased it, I found this distress ink. So yeah, so this was kind of sort of a waste of money. But I won't take it back. I think I had a coupon or something. But I found this one. I still haven't found my vintage photo. But this is that paper that you get at Michael's in the pack. And I think in the what is it? Recollections brand. And yeah, it's one of the hot buy packs. So just know that if you want, you're going to use something like this, that it does have a white core or a white inner or whatever you want to call it. And then too, when you score it, it comes through. So that's one of the things that kind of hampered me. It's not an excuse, but that's just one of the things that kind of hampered me. So yeah, might as well go with this other part if I can find it. Here it is. So being that happened, I just went to Joann's and bought some red and green paper. Y'all, I got red and green cardstock here. I have no clue where it is, and I bought a lot of it on the last doorbuster. I ain't gonna say the last, but on one of the doorbusters for Joann's, I bought a ton of it. It was like 7 sheets for $1, so I got a lot of it. I have no clue where it is. I cannot find it. So I got these to finish my CCAY project for this month. Even though this month is half gone, I am going to get it done. Okay. This is a book I bought. I think for Miss Cog. She does wonderful journals. And she mentioned she had this book, or used the pages from this book in like her fairy journals. And this is so cute. I really do love the pictures in here. The graphics are great. So I bought it, and the sad part about it is I kind of like this book, so I don't want to tear it apart, but I think I'm going to have to go ahead on and cut it up. Okay, what else? This is from Joann's, just like that paper. This is just, what is this, ephemera, what is it, washi flakes? 50 washi flakes. I don't know what washi flakes are. I'm assuming that these may be stickers. I don't know, but I bought this because I wanted to try the messenger bag, and I can't remember her name. If I remember everything, it'll be down in the description box. She did a messenger bag, and I got some paper that kind of reminds me of this with these colors, because I can't decorate. I just cannot do it. So I bought this to see if that'll help me with decorating a project and making it look really cute. Because y'all be doing the thing. When y'all be decorating stuff, y'all be doing it. And it just have me just feeling some kind of way. This is another one from Park Lane. And ask me why did I buy this stamp. I don't know. It's just something with me and calendars. And of course I got the calendar die coming. Yeah, it's coming. But anyway, I got this. I think it was less than $1. Anything else in here from Joann's? Oh yeah, Yeah, a couple more things. I bought this from DCWV, and the reason why I picked it up was for this. The paper in it is super gorgeous to me for journals. That's the main reason why I got this, just to make journals with. And I hope I can live up to my own expectations of making journals with this stack. And it's called Vintage Memories. It's from DCWV. I normally love DCWV's paper stacks. One, because they seem to be always double-sided. That's one of the reasons. I just love it. And I don't think the core is white on those, but I have to check. And I bought these. These were on sale. And I just never had any other things like this in my collection. I really wish that the beads themselves were all clear, but they came in color, so I don't think that'd be a bad thing. I just have to make something with some colors in it that it'll match, so I can try and make a dangle for it. I got one Dollar Tree item here. Oh wait, let me go with this right here first. This is the E6000. This is the spray one, and this is the one that the person that invented or came up with the idea of the Diva Wreath. She used this product to kind of stiffen the mesh hair for the Diva Wreath. So that's why I got it. I went on and saw it. I said, let me grab it while I'm out here, because I don't go out to Joann's that often. I picked this up from Dollar Tree. This is just a frame. This is an 8x10 frame, and it was the hardest thing to find. Just about every store I went in did not have it. I really wanted the one that sat like this, but I just had to deal with this one. And this is for a DIY project. And I hope I can get it done today, because it's very quick and very easy. This thing I'm gonna do last, because that sucker is heavy. I got this from, was it Alina KS Crafts? Okay, I got this from KS Craft. There we go, from KS Craft, and it's that cassette tape die. If I can get it out of here. Yeah, it's the cassette tape die. And I just thought it was cute, and I saw, I can't think of her name again. I can't think of the young lady's name, that she did a boombox. And I thought that would be really cute too, to make like gift boxes out of, this type of stuff. And, send it to friends or relatives, whatever the case may be. Oh, and by the way, I just found out that that we're going to be having, well, I'm going to say we, that the place that I normally have or attend the craft fair, they're going to be having it again this year. It's been, what, 2 years, in November. So you guys let me know, do you think it's a good idea to sign up? To sign up, it's like $60, right, if you do it before August, which $60, it's not a bad price. But my only problem is I don't want to take the same thing I've been taking to the craft fair. I want to do something new for the craft fair. But the problem is I can't do something that's so time heavy that it's going to take a lot of time to do it. And then you don't want to spend that much time. Let me take this for an example. Like something like this. I can't do this at the craft fair, because if I was to sell this, I would probably charge somebody $25, $30 for this. But it takes the whole day to do. You feel me? So I ain't gonna say it takes the whole day, but it's not a short process. I don't have a machine to cut out the pieces and then I just put them all together. Even the machine takes time to cut out the pieces. So, but I do want to, I would like to attend the craft fair. I just don't know what kind of projects or what kind of crafts to do. to make it worth my time. So I'm going to think about it, talk it over with a few friends and see what they say and see what happens. This is something that I ordered from Allie, but it was sent from Jamaica, Queens, in New York. And it's these things. Guys, I ordered white. At least let me put it this way. I call myself ordering white. But instead, I ordered pale pink. I was going to send them back. I don't know why I don't send them back. But I said, well, no, I'll just hang on to them because they probably won't even accept them back. Even if I send them back, they would probably still want to charge me for white. So, yeah, I just hang on to them for now. Where did this come from? This one is from Jaded Blossom. And this is a Shantae thing. I ordered this die. That's how it looks. She called it a bread wrapper. Is that what they call it? Bread, yeah, the bread tag die. So I ordered it. And again, I'm still thinking craft fair. I know I'm up here asking you guys if I should attend, but I'm ordering stuff, right? So I was just thinking this would be cute. You know how I did the cake in a cup that year, and the mug was in there, and I had the bag, and you closed it off at the top and tied the ribbon. I think this would have been super cute as a tag for that. So that was the main reason why I picked it up. Aside from Shantae showing stuff, she gets on my nerves. She always shopping. Oh Lord have mercy, I love her shopping. Oh, okay. Let me stop. Okay. What is this one? This one is from, this is from Etsy. These are a few things I picked up from Etsy. And again, this is all for me hoping to get back making my journals. So let me pull this stuff out. Okay. I think this was like a freebie or something. It's cute. I think I will put this in one of my journals. But I got these bags. Now, I bought some bags like this years ago. Probably, 10, 15 years ago. And what did I use those bags for? I did I think it was a dangle swap. And I used these bags to put the dangles in because it was like a vintage theme swap. So I bought these bags. I got the paper. Again, this is the paper, and that thing is right there. I'm trying to stop this from glaring. Okay, so this is the paper. It's single-sided, but I do like it, and I want to use this as well in some of my journals. And I think this was a freebie. And I think these were two separate shops too. And this is just a couple of sheets of paper. It was a freebie, and I appreciate it. So, and do I remember? Let me see if is there a name on here. One of them is from Ramona. Hold on. Ramona Prepon. She's in California. I don't remember the Etsy shops. If I get a chance to, I will go back to my Etsy page or my Etsy whatever it is, and I will put the links to where I got those things from in the description box. Is there anything else in here that needs to come out? No. For some reason, I'm thinking I'm missing something, but that could not be. I think I'm missing a die. But it's okay. But I bought this thing when I first saw it. Who was it? And I think that either I told Leela or Leela told me, or we probably told each other. I don't know. But I saw it, and I'm like, ooh, I like that. Because really, this is what I was doing anyway. Let me grab this one. I was using these things right here, which are magnetic sheets. This is how I store my dies in notebooks. I use these magnetic sheets. So when I would use my dies, I would take a magnetic sheet out and put it under this mat that you see right here, under this mat. So when I got done with the die, I would just put it under the mat onto this sheet so I wouldn't lose anything. So that's what I was doing. And let me see. And this right here, basically it's the same thing. This, and like I said, it's not light. It's not terribly heavy, but you don't want to travel with it, in my opinion. And it sits up like so. This is the magnet here. Let me see where my die is at. Okay, this is the die I showed you guys from KS Crafts. Get this out of here. And they, of course, you know, they showed you how to use this on Tonic's website. You know, they got a video up. And so you would use them and just put them like that. You could probably travel with them as well. I don't see why not. They should hold in place. But I wouldn't walk around like this with them. They would be in a bag. But I do like this. I really do. My table just ain't big enough for it yet. Well, I ain't gonna say it ain't big enough. My table ain't clean enough for it. But this is, I like this, and it really holds them there. They're not moving. Okay, let me get them. Can I get it off? Okay, yeah, so they're not going anywhere. And on that note, remember when I was telling you guys that about this frame, this picture frame right here, to show y'all the DIY to that thing, which is, it's just a picture frame. And you could take it and clean it off if you want to. I'm not going to even bother with doing that. But just attach a magnetic sheet to the picture frame. So let me see if I can do that without destroying something. Because y'all know I am horrible at this stuff sometimes. Okay. I don't know what that was, if y'all heard that. So I'm going to put it down like this to see if I can't get it right here. I know one thing is not straight. And I didn't pull it all the way down. But I'm going to anyway. There we go. There we go. And now, can you see? I can't see in my viewfinder too well. We have, oh my goodness. Let me take the ones out of here. Your own DIY magnetic board that you can keep your magnets on, your dies on, while you're using them. There we go. So why not? It's kind of hard to see, but there it is. See, they are not falling off, and it's just a magnetic sheet on a Dollar Tree frame. I even left the paper in there. And that's all it is. So while you're using your dies, you can just throw them on this sheet and be done with it. Okay, I think that's it for today, ladies and gents. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.